Can you recover WhatsApp V1's photos and videos? What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to see if you are able to recover the WhatsApp's V1's photos and videos. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing you want to do is to view your V1's photos. You usually tap on the photo to view it. And there is a policy in WhatsApp. Once you view the V1's photo, it will be gone forever, so you cannot recover it. So once I open up the photo, it won't allow me to screen record or screenshot. You guys are probably seeing a black screen because even if I try to take a screenshot, this app does not allow screenshots. So as you can see here, WhatsApp V1's photos, uh, it will make your messages more private, so it will disappear from the chat after you close it. And also you cannot share it, forward, copy, save, or take screenshots of it. So as you can see, whenever I try to take a screenshot of the V1's photos, it does not allow me to. Now if I go back, the photo is now gone. And it's the same for everything. Now you can argue that you can try to go ahead and head over to your chat backup, but generally the V1's photos are not saved on your chat backup. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.